Hello art friends, get those pencils ready. We're going to be doing a drawing of Bunny Girl from Senpai. So to start with, I'm going to take my pencil. I know I usually start in marker, and I'm going to just lay out her head because she's got a she's mostly head. Okay, and then here's going to be her hair. Just like so. Okay, I think I got it. So, to start with, we're gonna come in here and we're gonna draw a V that's gonna come up, in, and out. So it's a diagonal line with kind of an S. All right, then we're gonna put her mouth right there, her nose right here, and then we're going to put her eyes right here where this S line comes in right here. So we're going to start over here and we're going to come up just a little bit, and we're going to put a curvy line right here, and it's going to be a little thicker in the middle like that, and then it's going to come in, and that's going to thicken up as well. And then we're going to put a triangle right here and a little oval right here, and then we're going to draw her eye coming down like that, and then coming down with a flat line and coming back up. And then she's got kind of a little cat eye like so, with a few little eyelashes here. She's got like a little line above, an eyelash here, another line, and then she's got an eyebrow going across like so. That looks pretty good. Okay, now we're gonna do the other eye over here, which is a little bit different. So I'm gonna, oh fart, I'm gonna just, I'll erase that later. I'm gonna come up like that, and then come back down, make that a little bit thicker. There we go. There's a little line above it, and then she's got her eyebrow above that, and then she's got a little triangle of white, a little oval of white, and then we go down, down, flat, up, and up. And then we've got a little cat eye there. And then we've got an eyelash, eyelash, a couple eyelashes. There we go. All right, so now I'm gonna draw her head. So her head's gonna start all the way up here, and it's gonna come down. And then we're gonna not go all the way because she's got a hood and stuff here. And then her head is gonna come around like this and come into her face, come back out, go back into her face, come back up like that. And then she's got some bangs here that are gonna come down and back up. Swoopy lines for her hair, like that. And then she's got some little barrettes here. And there's more little, there's lots of triangles in her hair. Okay. Looks pretty good. And she's got an ear back here, which is like kind of a letter C with a point on it. Okay, so now we're gonna move on and we're gonna do her neck and then her shirt. Okay, so her neck has a little line coming like that, and then there is a line coming down, back up to the hair there. Then we have a line, this line comes down a little farther, comes back up, also goes down. Then we've got a little mountain here, comes back up. All right, so now we're gonna draw the hoodie, which comes up, back down, out, down, and then there's a line like that. Okay, then that allows us to get the hairline finished. So it's gonna come down, go behind the hoodie, and come down. Then we're going to put the shoulder on, so that just comes up, comes back down, meets up with this hairline here. Then we have folds in the shirt. Like so. There we go. And we've got some shadow lines. Lots of triangles in this picture. We've got some lines for where the fabric will be folded. Okay, that's looking pretty good. All right, so now she's got a little more hair over here, but we need to get the other part of her jacket. So there's a line that comes out, and another line that comes out and down, and then we have a line that comes up, a line that comes over, down, back. There we go. Now we've got the other side of her jacket, so now that allows us to get in the hair. Go. Are. Looks pretty good. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to Middle School Art Mania, give it a thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching.